My name is Moon Aldridge, a knitwear designer. This video tutorial is made to demonstrate some of the techniques that I used in my design Undergrowth top, which published in Interweave Knits Summer 2020. Okay, let's get started. Lace pattern, even number of stitches. I added 1 stitch on each side as the edge stitch. Row 1, yarn over, SSK. Here I used slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over. It has the same results as SSK. So let's do SSK. Slip 1, slip another 1, knit these 2 stitches together. Repeat from yarn over across. Knit the last stitch. Row 2, wrong side. It can be tricky. We slip 1 first. Then yarn over, but make sure don't cover this stitch. Purl 1. Now the yarn is in the front. It's a kind of hard when we do pass slip stitch over. So we put the yarn back and pass the slip stitch over and bring the yarn to the front. Do it again. Slip 1, yarn over, purl 1. Let's say if we don't bring the yarn back and it's really hard to pass the slip stitch over. So we bring the yarn to the back, pass the slip stitch over, bring the yarn back to the front. Slip 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn back, pass slip stitch over, yarn front. Repeat from the slip 1 across. Short row 1, wrong side. Knit 1. Work next 4 stitches in pattern. That means we have to do is bring the yarn to the front. Slip next stitch. Yarn over, purl 1, yarn back. Pass the slip stitch over. Do it again. Yarn front, slip 1, yarn over, purl 1, pass the slip stitch over. Wrap the next stitch. Slip this stitch to the right needle. Wrap the stitch with working yarn from back to front around this stitch. Bring the stitch back to left needle and turn. Short row 2, right side. Yarn front. Slip, slip, knit, SSK. Yarn over, SSK. Knit last stitch. We just finished 2 short rows. Short row 3, we're back to the wrong side again. We will do the first 5 stitches just as for short row 1. The next stitch is the wrapped stitch. Slip this stitch, yarn over, purl 1, yarn back, pass the stitch over. Then we continue work some stitches. Follow your own size pattern. Let's say we work another 2. Wrap the next stitch. Turn. Back to the right side again. Bring the yarn to the front. Start working yarn over SSK. Repeat to the end. Knit 1. I hope this video tutorial can help you understand the pattern better. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye.